In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in QuickBooks. Whether you're just starting with QuickBooks or are a seasoned user, getting a handle on managing your inventory is a crucial skill for maintaining clear financial records. So let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have the knowledge to manage your inventory effectively. First, you'll want to visit the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the sign in button. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to set up an account, but assuming you have, you can use your existing credentials. This brings us to the next step. Choose the QuickBooks Online option. QuickBooks Online is a versatile platform that allows you to access your data from any device, anywhere you have internet. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to log in. Enter your user credentials in the designated fields and click Continue. This will direct you to the homepage of your QuickBooks Online account, where you'll have access to a wide range of tools and features tailored to simplify your bookkeeping tasks. On the homepage you'll see various buttons and options, but what we need at this point is the New button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, navigate to the Other section. Within this category you'll find Inventory Quantity Adjustment. A crucial aspect of managing inventory is making sure the quantities are accurate, reflecting the actual stock available. Click on this option to proceed. Having accessed the inventory adjustment page, the next thing we need to do is add the product you want to adjust. If the product already exists in your inventory, you'll simply need to select it from the list. However, if it's a new product, you may need to go through the process of adding it to your inventory catalog first. Once the product is selected, focus on typing in the quantity adjustment. This adjustment reflects either an addition or reduction in your inventory levels. It's important to enter the correct number here, as it will ensure that your financial records stay accurate and up to date. After entering the quantity, double check that everything looks correct. The last step is to finalize your changes by clicking on Save and Close. This action will apply your adjustments, updating your inventory records in QuickBooks. And there you go, that's how you add an inventory item in QuickBooks. By carefully following these steps, you'll ensure that your inventory is tracked accurately, allowing for better financial management and planning. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.